You're welcome to our channel again. My name is Dr. Ifeyinwa Celestina Ezeke, Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. Our topic today is a very interesting topic that you will, after enjoying, you will just lie down and sleep with happiness. And our topic is nothing other than how to restore back your sperm cells in a situation where it is zero, that may require surgery or hopelessness of buying spermatozoa from sperm bank to raise a family. As a matter of fact, our focus is going to be on how you can use natural herbs to bring back your spermatozoa. Spermatozoas are living cells. It can appear, it can disappear. Then, another thing that can bring spermatozoa to zero is what we are talking about and what we are going to talk about. A lot of things can be the cause of spermatozoa vanishing. The use of some hard drugs, anabolic steroids, used in building up weight is one of those things that can bring your spermatozoa to zero. Then another thing can be an addiction to too much smoking, too much alcohol, etc. Then the main thing that we are going to hammer on is the issue of zero spermatozoa as a result of Staphylococcus aureus. We repeat again, as a result of Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, coliform bacilli, gonorrhea, fresh syphilis, fresh chlamydia, or some other sexually transmitted diseases or pathogenic microorganisms like Klebsiella species, coliform bacilli, and so on and so forth. Some of these pathological antigens, some pathological infections can be the reason why your sperm count just dropped like that. It happens in men, even when they have had children, even 5-6 children in their life. When these infections gets into their system, it eats down their sperm cells to zero. So first of all, the first step to take in addressing problem of no spermatozoa or low spermatozoa less than 1 million, where the normal range is supposed to be between 20 million and above. And it comes to be like 1 cell, 2 cells, 3 cells, less than 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, 5 million is not within normal range. Pregnancy may not exist. And when we talk of pregnancy existing, we also talk of the motility. It's like we are 100 people here, but we have no leg to get out of this very environment. The motility is the powerhouse of the sperm cell, because it is when the spermatozoa gets into the womb and meets the spermatozoa and meets the spermatozoa with the egg, fuse the spermatozoa with the egg. The fusing has to do with movement. If there's no movement to meet the egg and implant, then there's nowhere, no how what you're looking for, like pregnancy, may exist. And don't forget, the normal range of spermatozoa is between 20 million and above. And the normal range of motility is between 50% and above. And then, if you go for checkup and you get your health record information, it will help us so much in knowing what to give you so that you can get results and bring back your spermatozoas. Even when you have done surgery 1 or 2 times on issues concerning zero spermatozoa, to be honest with you, when we use natural herbs, 100% safe, your spermatozoa will start coming. The first 1 month can bring like 10 million or 20 million. It can bring 5 million, it can bring 6. Well, what is important is that the sperm cells are already coming. When they start coming, they start bringing motility too. Because if there are 100 spermatozoa and there is no motility, pregnancy cannot exist. Therefore, when you do the test, we know the level of the damage that a particular ailment has done to the spermatozoa, then we know how to approach your case. And in a case like that, if you are treating the man, you treat the woman also, because she may harbor some infections that will be making the husband to relapse when the sperm cells start coming up. because these infections, they feed on spermatozoa, and that's why it comes down to 0. And when it comes down to 0, don't lay blame on the gods. Just pray to God, give me the grace to get where I'll be properly treated and I'll come back to myself. It is no more a hopeless case as far as Nigerian traditional medicine is concerned. Thank you. And so, let's go to what we can use. We have 2 powerful items that comes in different form many years back, but now we use it in a very beautiful form. These items are nothing other than Nestis ferrugini and Grevia mollis. Nestis ferrugini and Grevia mollis. In the Yoruba culture, it is called Ogbolo, while Goin is called, Grevia mollis is called Goin. So Ogbolo is this one, while the other one is Goin. This Ogbolo is for counts. This Ogbolo is for sperm count, while Goin is for the motility. But before you start this particular drug, you make sure you have treated yourself properly with your sex partner if you want to achieve a good result. Don't lay blame on only yourself. Your sex partner must be treated properly. So when you start the treatment for infection, you also start the treatment with this Ogbolo and Goin. How we harvest, and this is how we harvest them from the forest. It lives very close to the river. When you harvest it from there, you wash properly, sterilize properly, and then after sterilizing, you now cut into bits. This one is Goin, and this one that is Goin, you cut into bits like this. This one is Ogbolo. You cut into bits just like this too. Then you dry properly under room temperature. You dry it until it becomes very light. After drying, then you put it in the particular way you do it, and then you serve. Then a man can be using it with akamu, that's custard. We record results with this Ogbolo and Goin very fast when we do it properly with our clients, our patients. We give them the Ogbolo. From 4 weeks, they go the first test. Second month, you go for final sperm count, microscopy, culture and sensitivity. We check to know whether there are still a lot of pus cells. If there are still a lot of pus cells, that means there are still some microorganisms feeding on the spermatozoa. But when you have no growth after 48 hours, that means the infection is no more there. Then when you give these drugs, they will work with speed. The sperm count will start increasing, the motility will start coming up. Because if the motility is not coming up, that means a particular area of the manhood is blocked. And that is why the spermatozoa cannot move. So when you start using the Ogbolo and you start using the Goin, which is Nestis ferrugini and Grevia mollis, Nestis ferrugini and Grevia mollis, this is very special attention for the generations ahead to come, because it will help them in their research. So that's the reason why I don't hide some of these formulas or some of the items, the herbs we use. After all, I was introduced to all these herbs by my background, and I have to introduce it to you with love. So that's it. If you want to use the herbs when they are in their finished product, you just use them. Use the herbs in powdered form like this. When it is in powdered form, what you do is to take 1 tablespoon of one item Ogbolo, 1 tablespoon of one item Goin, Nestis ferrugini, 1 tablespoon, Grevia mollis, 1 tablespoon, put in custard. When you put it into custard, you now put honey, you put milk, stir, and you drink once a day and go your normal business. One is that it will make you have very strong erection, and it's anti-inflammatory too. It's antibacterial too. So there are lots of things it will do in your body. It will correct your hormones. It will make you feel that you are really a man, and it will give you confidence in yourself. You will not be moving hopeless that maybe in lifetime you may not be able to have children of your own. Thank you for enjoying this program. You can follow us up on Facebook, Dr. Ifeyinwa Ezeke. Follow us up on WhatsApp and YouTube. Bye-bye. See more of you. Have a nice day.
Can I have you?
Nestis ferrugini. Nestis ferrugini. And
Can you spell it?
Nestisguinea. Nestis ferrugini. Nestis ferrugini. This one is Grevia mollis. Come from the plants that come from a very thick forest. Nestis ferrugini is your polo, while Grevia mollis is the boy. Grevia, Grewia, Grevia mollis. This is the Grevia mollis. It comes from very